At least 10 people have been killed in explosions at underground stations in St. Petersburg, Russian media report. The Tass and Interfax agencies reported the blasts hit the Sennaya Ploshchad and nearby Institute of Technology stations in the center of the city. Images posted on social media showed a carriage in Sennaya station with its doors blown out with casualties nearby. Russian President Vladimir Putin, who is in the city, has been informed, Russian media say. The cause of the explosions is not yet known.